Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to this Scafflogic video. Today I would like to show you how to make a customized gable with an oriel on the house. Let's start making our building by defining our first point. We will use the Z key to enter the width of the building, and we will use the Z key again to enter the length of the building. You can see that when I hit enter, the system extends my line to the desired distance. You can also see that I am getting my guideline, which tells me that I am at 90 degrees, so I can drag my point to connect with the first point to finish my building. Now we can go in and define the gable and choose the wall that we would like to place it on. We can now go into the elevation menu and move our building a bit with our zooming tool to make better use of the space. We will go down to Edit Customized Gable, and then we will drag the point up using the Z key to enter an exact measurement. In this case, 100 centimeters. And now I am getting a horizontal line which I can snap to. I will take the next control point and snap to 100 centimeters. Then I will enter the width of my gable, which gives me a vertical control line, giving me a cross guideline. Now I will just move the gable line down until I have achieved a vertical fall on this gable. Let's make the peak by selecting a point in the middle and dragging it up, using the Z key for a dead center measurement. You can see the vertical line we are using to align with. Then we can create a horizontal line using the Z key to be 100% sure that we are getting an exact measurement. And there we have it, right on the cross point. Now we have a gable on this half of the wall, and here is what it looks like in 3D. Okay, back to the plan drawing, where we need to copy this gable down to the opposite wall. We go to the Content menu and select Copy Gable. We will make an exact mirror image of the gable we want to copy and drag it down, hitting Enter to confirm. And now we have a perfect match on the other side. You can also see that the system has raised a wall on that side, which is one of the tricks in making this rather sophisticated gable structure. Let's go to the other side and use a smart trick. We will remove this gable because we don't need it anymore, and confirm by clicking OK. We can now go in and start making the roof. We go to the roof operator and select Add Roof. But before we build it up, let's ask the system for a preview of the roof to see how it reacts to the current structure. This is not exactly what we want, so we can adjust the points until we achieve the perfect roof line. You can see that the system is making calculations as we go. We are getting very close. Let's just move this one out and this one just a tad more, like so. Now we have the perfect roof line, so let's add it. In 3D, we can see that we have achieved the desired effect. At this point, we can go back to the plan drawing and create the oriel which needs to sit underneath this gable. We will select Add Building and connect it directly to the wall. We will use the Z key to adjust the angle. Remember, when you push it twice, you will get the right angle. You can see that we have the guideline to help us. I can just enter the measurement that I need. Now we get the radius circle. We can drag it a bit and again use the Z key for entering an exact measurement of 180 centimeters. We will go into the wall and enter 100 centimeters, which helps us to hit the line. We will adjust it so it's at an angle. Remember to finish at the point of origin. And now you can see the finished result in 3D. Simple but effective.